Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about swapping of two numbers in C programming. It is one of the basic program and it is also important program. How we are swapping can be done. Okay, so I am taking two variables int a comma b. So a and b can be declared as integer variables. Now I am taking a value is 20, b value is 10. Okay. So before swapping, variable a contains a 20 and variable b contains a 10. Now we are writing the swapping logic. Okay. I am taking one temporary variable int temp. Okay. Next, temp is equal to a and a is equal to b and b is equal to temp. So this is three lines of logic for swapping of two numbers. Okay. So now first step, a value can be assigned to temp. So what is a value? A value is 20. So 20 can be assigned to temp. After assigning a value to the temporary variables, now temporary variable contains a value. A value is 20. Okay. After assignment, a value can be assigned to temp. Now temp variable contains the value 20. Next step, b value can be assigned to a. Okay, a is equal to b means b value can be assigned to a. What is b value? 10. 10 can be assigned to a. After executing this step, a value is 10. Okay. Next step, b is equal to temp. That means temp value can be assigned to variable b. So what is temp value? Here temp value is 20. So 20 can be assigned to b. So after executing this step, b value is 20. B value is 20. So after executing these three steps, so then what is the a value here? A value contains 10 and b value contains 20. Okay, so this is the simple logic. So here before swapping, a value is 20 and b value is 10. After swapping, a value is 10 and b value is 20. Swapping is nothing but interchanging the values of two variables. Okay, so before swapping, a value is 20 and b value is 10. After executing these three steps of swapping logic, then a value is 10 and b value is 20. Okay, so this is the simple logic of swapping of two numbers in C programming. Okay, next. Now we can see the implementation of swapping logic. Now, so this is the swapping of two numbers program. First, I am including two header files, hash include stdio.h, standard input output header file. Second header file, hash include conio.h, console input output header file. Every C program starts its execution with the main function. Here main function does not return any value, so that we have to write void before the main function. Void is an empty data type. Next, I am declaring three variables int a comma b comma temp. So a, b and temp are three integer variables. Next one, clr ser. It is a clear screen function. This function is available in the header file called hash include conio.h, so that we have to include this header file to our program. Next one, printf enter A, B values. Enter A, B values. These two values are read from the keyboard by using scanf function. So scanf percentage D, double quotes and comma, ampersand A, comma, ampersand B. After executing this step, we are entering A and B values from the keyboard. So whatever the values that are read from the keyboard, so first value is stored in variable A, second value is stored in variable B. Next one. So printf before swapping. So before swapping, A value can be printed here, B value can be printed by using this statement. So after that, we have to write the swapping logic that is already discussed in previous. So A value can be assigned to the temporary variable in this statement. Next, B value can be assigned to the variable A. Next, temp value can be assigned to the variable B. Next, printf after swapping, so A value can be printed and B value can be printed. Okay, so after that program can be executed, program can be terminated. So now we have to save that program. So swapping.c. Next, we have to compile the program. So for compiling the program, Alt plus F9, we are getting 0 errors and 0 warnings. Next, run the program. For that one, we have to use the command called Control plus F9. So it can, in the output screen, it can ask enter A and B values. Now A value is 20 and B value is 10. Okay. So before swapping, A value is 20 and B value is 10. After swapping, A value is 10 and B value is 20. Swapping is nothing but interchanging the values of two variables. Here A and B are two variables. A value is 20, B value is 10 before swapping. After swapping, A value is 10 and B value is 20. So this is the very important program. So please keep in mind this program. This program can be asked in many campus interviews. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates, and please click on the like button and share this video to your friends and classmates. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for getting future updates. Thank you one and all.